The thresher shark is known for its long, whip-like tail, which it uses to stun prey. This impressive tail can be as long as the shark's body, making it a highly effective hunting tool. With its streamlined form and powerful tail, the thresher shark is a master hunter in the open ocean. The spiny king crab's sharp, armored shell and long, spiky legs make it an intimidating sight on the seafloor. This crustacean slowly moves across the rocky terrain, scavenging for food. Its protective spikes and thick shell allow it to thrive in the cold, dark waters of the deep sea. The sea angel is a small, ethereal creature with delicate, wing-like appendages that allow it to glide gracefully through cold ocean waters. This translucent, ghostly swimmer feeds on tiny plankton, embodying beauty and fragility in the deep. Its gentle movements and angelic appearance make it one of the ocean's most enchanting residents. With its needle-like teeth and bioluminescent spots, Sloane's viperfish is a stealthy predator in the deep ocean. This fearsome fish uses its glowing spots to attract unsuspecting prey, ambushing them with its sharp jaws. In the darkness of the deep sea, the viperfish's powerful hunting skills make it a true predator. The snipe eel, with its long, slender body and pointed beak, moves gracefully through the ocean's depths. Its unusual, coiled form helps it capture small prey in the cold, dark waters. This elegant eel's sinuous movement and specialized beak give it a unique charm in the deep sea. The Pacific black dragon is a shadowy predator with a series of glowing spots along its body that lure prey. With its sharp teeth and dark coloring, it blends seamlessly into the ocean's twilight zone. This creature's bioluminescent adaptations make it both a mesmerizing and dangerous sight in the deep. The powerful dog-toothed tuna is a fast swimmer and fierce hunter in the open ocean. Its sleek, muscular body and sharp teeth make it well-equipped to catch swift prey. This streamlined predator is a top hunter in tropical and subtropical waters, showcasing strength and speed in its natural habitat.